Welcome to Review Source. Today, we're going over the best coil siding nailers. We chose these because they generally deliver on reliability, how easy they are to use, and just real-world gruntwork performance. For more details and the latest prices on any of these, you'll find all the product links down in the description below. Now, let's get started. First up, we have the Metabo HPT NV65AH2. This one's often the go-to for pros. Honestly, it's for good reason. It doesn't scream, "Look at me," with wild colors. It's just a dependable tool. The design is pretty straightforward, and users generally report it's surprisingly lightweight at around 4.8 pounds. That's a massive plus when you're up on a ladder all day. Your shoulders will thank you later. Inside, it runs on a good range of nails. It takes both 16-degree wire-collated nails and those 15-degree plastic ones. It also gives you selective actuation, so switching between sequential or contact nailing is just a flip of a switch. No tools needed. Loading nails is easy too, thanks to that side-load tilt-bottom magazine. We really like the toolless depth adjustment. It's nice for getting the right depth every time without fumbling for a wrench. Many users online say it has not faltered all summer and has plenty of power even for pressure-treated wood. Seriously, for about $317, it's a smart pick that usually just works.
Now, for something that's been a staple for a while, let's look at the BOSTITCH N66C. This model is what many consider the reliable middle ground. It's built tough with a lightweight aluminum design, coming in at around 4.08 pounds. That's pretty good, actually, especially for long stretches. The N66C takes both wire weld and plastic inserted coil nails, so you aren't stuck with one type. It packs an adjustable depth guide that lets you set nail depths fast. But the real win here is the soft rubber foot. It's designed to keep from marring softer woods. If you are working with cedar shingles, that detail definitely matters. You don't want ugly dents all over the siding. Some users say it worked flawlessly on cedar and paid for itself many times over on fencing jobs. Other feedback suggests durability and jam frequency can be a bit mixed though, so it's not always perfect. But when it's good, it's really good. This thing also comes with a tool-free adjustable exhaust. You're getting this for around $229 right now, which is usually a solid value.
Next, we have the Makita AN613. When you think Makita, you usually think quality, and this nailer generally doesn't disappoint. It's got a rugged construction, built with aluminum housing. It weighs in at about 4.84 pounds. It definitely feels substantial, but not overly heavy, just solid. The AN613 drives standard 15-degree wire and plastic collated nails, but the key here is the motor efficiency. Makita also gives you tool-less depth adjustment with 9 distinct settings. That allows for really precise flush or countersink nailing. And yeah, it's got that 2-mode selector switch for contact or sequential firing, whatever you prefer. What we hear from people using it is a lot of positive stuff, like it's worth every penny. Some have gone through 3 cases of coil nails and not a single malfunction. It also tends to hit the nail head perfectly every time. That is huge for clean work. Though a few people have reported the foot getting stuck occasionally. This quality build will run you about $255.
Moving on, let's talk about the Freeman PCN65. This one is often seen as the budget-friendly option, and it generally performs okay for the price. It's built with a die-cast magnesium body, which makes it reasonably light at around 5.5 pounds, a little heavier than the others, but manageable. It's got a comfort grip and a transparent nail bucket. That's a nice touch, actually. Lets you see when you're running low. This nailer accepts a wide range of nails, too. It takes both 15-degree plastic and wire-collated coils. It also gives you a no-mar safety tip and a 360-degree adjustable exhaust. However, here's the catch. While some users call it a great gun for the price, others report some frustrating issues. We've seen comments about it breaking after fewer than 1,000 nails, or jamming every third nail sometimes. So it's a bit of a gamble. But hey, for around $185, if you're just doing occasional DIY, it might be worth the shot. Just temper your expectations.
Finally, we have the HBT HBCN65P. This one tries to give you solid specs without completely emptying your wallet. It's built with magnesium housing, aiming for durability. Users describe it as having a proper weight for the category.
It takes both plastic or wire-collated coil siding nails, accepting sizes up to 2.5 inches. An easy jam release mechanism is built into the design, which is super helpful because jams happen. It's also got the usual selectable sequential or contact firing modes. The tool comes with tool-free depth adjustment, which we appreciate, and a swivel air plug. That helps keep your hose from twisting up, which is annoying on cheaper tools. We've heard feedback like, "Great value, does the job." Some users have gone through 1,000 nails and the gun has not jammed one single time. That's impressive. But then again, some reviews mention frequent misfires, even double shots when set to single fire. So another mixed bag. But at about $126, it's a compelling option if you're on a tighter budget. And that wraps up the top 5 best coil siding nailers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next one.